So now you can claim your Notcoin, alright. So I advise you should connect to VPN. You can connect to any of this VPN. You can connect to it so that it will be running smoothly because there's a lot of traffic. So now I'm connected to Proton VPN. So now I'll click on check the result. So as you can see, it is available. It's available, right? So if yours is not showing, you tap on claim, then glance through it, then to bring up this menu. So this plus sign is to redeem your voucher. In case you wanted to voucher, then in that time when you were still tapping on Notcoin, remember 10 million Notcoin was equal to 10,000 Not voucher. So in case you want to redeem your voucher back to the Not token, so you can tap here and click on redeem. So once you tap on redeem, you connect to the wallet that you redeem it to, whether Keeper, whether Telegram, whether Meton, whether Turn Up. So once you connect it, then make sure you have some gas fee in turn so that you can redeem it back to the Not token on the voucher. So to be sent out to your contract address and then receive automatically, you receive your Not token. About 10 million Notcoin voucher equals to 10,000 Not token. So that's the process on how to redeem your voucher. So now to send it out, you have two options at the moment. You can either send it out to exchanges or you can send it to the wallet in Telegram. But I advise you to use exchanges because it will be gasless in turn. And if you use wallet and Telegram, it will be gasless in turn. The fee will be deducted from your Notcoin, alright? And you can also stake. In case you want to stake, in case you're doing your Notcoin now, you can stake. But I advise you, you should at least withdraw it first, then maybe later on you can stake it if the option is available, alright? And which might even be available. So you have two options at the moment. Exchanges, you can withdraw to exchanges like Bybit, OKX, Binance, all those exchanges, you understand, that support Notcoin token. Don't go and withdraw to rubbish exchange because there are a lot of exchanges that will list Notcoin and it's not the official token. But I'm very certain of Bybit, OKX, Binance. And I think Mex also, but I'm not sure how Mex supports it right now. But Binance, Bybit, OKX, they support it. So you can also withdraw it to your wallet and Telegram. So if I tap wallet in Telegram, you can open your Telegram wallet. So once you open it, then you connect it, then you continue. Okay, so you also ask my phone number for basic verification. So let me do that. So I'll select Nigeria and then fill in your personal details. So I'm done with that. So let me click on let's go. Okay, they say you have to do your KYC in your Telegram wallet before you can withdraw it. Okay, so let me click on that's fine. So then you can confirm it, then you withdraw it. So deduct the fee from your Notcoin balance. But me, I'm not withdrawing to Telegram wallet. I'm withdrawing to exchanges. So now to withdraw to exchange, just tap on exchanges, then click on continue. As you can see, here the exchanges, like I said, Binance, OKX, Bybit. So now select Binance. Okay, just click on you select Binance. So once you select Binance, then click on send. Then if you are already ready on account, then you proceed. So then you can go to your Binance. This is my Binance. So you can search for Notcoin. So once you search for Notcoin, then you click on deposit crypto. So you see memo and address. So please make sure you input your deposit address and memo. If you don't input the two, your Notcoin will not enter and it will enter bush. That's very important. Make sure you input your deposit address and your memo. So once you have done that, then you withdraw and then you receive your token. So and then your token will be sent down your wallet till and then when they launch on I think May 16, so and then you're able to swap it off. So congrats.